Why, good evening to you too, my dear. I knew that I could count on you to show up. We do so adore restricted areas, don't we? Ready for an evening of mischief? Brilliant. Take my hand, and don't you dare utter a single word. Good girl, come along now. We must remain unseen. Quietly now. Silent as a grave.
Is that you, Peeves?
All right, we're in the clear. Scribner caught on to my antics, so she wears the key around her neck at all times now. Fortunately, I learnt the mugglecraft of lockpicking. Did you really expect me not to have a backup plan? You see, my dear, breaking rules is my specialty. Besides, it's always more exciting sneaking into places that can be a touch more challenging. Especially with you by my side. Careful, my dear. You'll inflate my ego too much. Listen closely now. There she goes. You might as well call me the king of lockpicking while you're at it. I'm far too intelligent to be a village fool. But if you insist on referring to me as one, I suppose I shall wear that title with honor. After all, even a fool needs recognition for his accomplishments. After you, milady. Ah, yes. How I miss the smell of this place. The restricted section, a location where every page is filled with something the professors don't want us to know. I'm looking for a specific book. I've been doing research on a powerful charm. It can be very resourceful when used correctly. Legilimency. I know. The ability to know the thoughts and secrets of others. Dangerous, but useful indeed. Think about it. Imagine being able to read the minds of your enemies. Or your loved ones, yes. But I promise you, I would never use it on you or Ominous. Unless you asked me. Ah, there you are. Advanced Legilimency, a guide to the secret art. Probably not. He would also not approve of us sneaking into the restricted section. Though he can't be very mad at students eager to learn, can he? Lumos. Don't be shy, darling. Come closer so you can read it too. Legilimency is the act of magically navigating through the many layers of a person's mind and correctly interpreting one's findings. It's not just about reading minds, it's about interpreting the information correctly. It's a very powerful skill, and it requires a lot of practice and finesse to master. This is powerful magic. Shit, we have company. We need to hide. Behind that bookcase.
Shh. I don't want to hear a peep out of that pretty mouth of yours. Don't move a muscle. Tickling me at a time like this? Oh, you're going to get it, you little minx. Tickling me was a mistake, darling, because now I know your weak spots. You tempt me, you know. I have to restrain myself from kissing you every time you look at me like that. If your heart's set on tempting the devil, darling. Oh, fuck.
Who have we here? Out exploring where they shouldn't be. Naughty, naughty, you'll get caughty.
Blasted Peeves! Looks like that will be detention for 2. At least we can then potentially finish what we started tonight. Come on, I guess we got to deal with the consequences now.